Hello friends, welcome to Nifty Intraday levels. We'll talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for Wednesday 21st October, and we'll calculate kind of target levels for Thursday 22nd October 2020. So what kind of trade we are expecting for Thursday 22nd October 2020. We'll see the kind of target levels or trading range for that day and buy and sell signals for Thursday. So before proceeding further, I would like to just make a disclaimer here that this video is only for educational and learning purpose. This is completely based on technical analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. All levels are spot levels. Consult your financial advisor before taking any real position in the market. Now we'll see actually Nifty analysis, what it did on kind of 21st October Wednesday. So if you see that it opened almost 62 points up and closed almost 41 points up compared to kind of Tuesday's closing. So if you see that actually 12,018.65 it made high and low was 11,775.75. So if you see my earlier video, the link is provided here. Actually, if you go through that video, you would see that whatever kind of resistance levels and kind of support levels I provided, that kind of 90% matched for that thing, and my buy and sell signal whatever I provided, that was a kind of pretty 95% correct, I can say here. So just go through my earlier video, which the link is shared here actually. So from indicators perspective, CCI is neutral, but RSI, ADX, MACD shows kind of positiveness. Then support below lies at 11,763 and 11,905. But upside resistance is there at 12,025 and 12,182. This is all about kind of Fibonacci retracement and recent lows and high. But from SMA EMA perspective, if you see that support below lies at 11,836 and 11,872. Upside resistance is there at 11,945, 12,080, 12,190. From candlestick patterns, if I talk about, excuse me, so Harami bullish is a kind of emerging pattern on weekly chart, which we talked about in last two videos as well. So it has a kind of low reliability, but definitely it shows that kind of upside is kind of limited at this moment, and definitely when it kind of try to touch 12,000, then definitely it may try to show you kind of some downfall or profit booking. So I'm expecting that tomorrow also same thing should happen. So might be kind of 12,025 or 12,080 level should act as a kind of strong resistance for tomorrow's trade, and then definitely you would see kind of some profit booking there. But yes, zigzag scenario might be there because it's a kind of expiry day tomorrow. That is Thursday, 22nd October. So from change in open interest perspective, if I see that 11,900 saw kind of good call unwinding, whereas 12,000, 12,100, 12,200 saw kind of good call writing today. So which shows actually 12,000 and 12,100 should act as a kind of strong resistance at upside in tomorrow's trade, whereas 11,800 saw kind of good put writing as well. But from net open interest perspective, if you see that 12,000 has a kind of highest open interest in call, whereas 11,800 has a kind of highest open interest in put. So from conservative perspective, 11,800 to 12,000 should be a kind of trading range. But yes, 11,900 should act as a kind of strong support in first half, I can see. And then definitely maybe in second half you would see kind of some profit booking, good profit booking, and definitely I'm expecting that near about 11,900 or 850 tomorrow's closing should be there. That is just expectation. You know, the market is supreme, and this kind of open interest chart is for tomorrow's expiry. So at last day it might not help you much, but yes, it gives a kind of trading range what you should trade about. So from intraday levels perspective actually, so for Thursday's trade levels which we should watch according to calculations, day range comes out to be 11,816 to 12,059. So my buy signal get generated once actually Nifty trades above 11,990 for 12,018, 12,045, 12,073, 12,100 and 12,122 levels. But if Nifty trades below 11,963, Yes, I'm expecting this actually in tomorrow's trade. If it trades below 11,963, then definitely we can look for 936, 908, 881, 854 and 827 levels. Now we talk about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what it did today actually we'll see. So it opened almost 132.40 points up actually and closed almost 323 points up compared to Tuesday's closing. So if you see that it made a low of 24,099 and high it made 24,823.60. So from support perspective, from Fibonacci retrospective and recent lows highs actually, so you would see 23,904 should act as a kind of strong support at below levels, then 24,170, 24,320, and upside resistance lies at 24,824 and 25,232. But from SMA EMA perspective, if you see 24,135, 24,230, 24,433 should act as a kind of strong resistance. So I'm expecting that 24,135 and 24,230. So this range should act as a kind of strong support for Bank Nifty in tomorrow's trade. But from upside resistance, if you see that 24,746, 24,746 and 25,140 should act as a kind of strong resistance at upside. So from a technical indicators perspective, CCI, RSI, MACD, ADX all are in positive territory. So change in open interest perspective, if you see that below 24,800 you saw kind of good put writing actually today, and 24,500 below levels actually you saw kind of good call unwinding as well, whereas 24,900 upwards you might have seen kind of good call writing as well. So from net open interest perspective, you see that 25,000 has a kind of highest open interest, and 24,000 level has a kind of highest open interest in put. So it indicates that 24,000 to 25,000, this is a broad range for tomorrow's trade. But if you see 24,500, it has a kind of almost equal open interest in call and put. So definitely it should trade in this range into tomorrow's market actually. So 24,200 to kind of 24,800 or 900 range should be kind of conservative range for tomorrow's trade. But yes, I guess it might try to touch kind of 25,000 level at least once in tomorrow's trading. So now according to our technical analysis, what levels comes out for trade actually. So day range comes out to be 24,273 to 24,997. So from technical indicators perspective and all other factors considering, my buy signal get generated if Bank Nifty trades above 24,767 for kind of target of 806, 846, 885, 925, 964. So definitely I guess whatever trade if we are doing, we should have a kind of strict stop losses, then only we can make profit. So that is the important factor which we should keep in mind. Then if Bank Nifty trades below 24,728 and sustains for some time, then definitely I can see that 24,688, 649, 610, 571, 531 and definitely 273 can be achieved in tomorrow's trade. But it all depends again how Bank Nifty opens tomorrow. So I guess if Dow Jones or the US market close in kind of positive territory, then definitely it may try to open a bit higher, and then profit booking might be observed, and then definitely zigzag pattern might be there. But yes, if US market close bit down, then definitely we may open kind of flat to negative. But yes, there might be some upside in initial couple of hours, but then definitely you would see kind of profit booking. It may try to touch kind of below levels whatever we observed in today's trade. Same thing might happen in tomorrow's trade. I'm expecting the same for tomorrow's expiry day as well. So I guess hope you like my contents, guys. Actually, thank you for watching my videos. If you like the contents, please do like my videos, and if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video. Happy trading. Have a nice day. Bye.